Maabisa bagikundi kia mutharaba mutune kana Kenya Red Cross bagwatanirite na maabisa bangi botungata bwampui ba thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru ni bejene utethio bointo mwanya mwanya kiri antu baraba karaga kwina mpingura nyomo chia kithaka ya Meru into birebire jana okurukira maabisa bokaria banyomo ba KWS ara munene wa kiari ugite bakajukia kanya kau kinya kwa Moritani kire munge
tujete Meru National Park for the act of humanity.
Maabitha kuma kirirwangi iro special programs iruraru ithagiro rirungu urobici ya gavana kaunti ya Meru wamwe na maabitha kuma kiri mutharaba mutune ibakinyetie into omwanya amwanya biliongo cha wekira wamwe na kinya into obya korea kiri maabitha ba KWS kingironi ikenyamo cha kithaka kya Meru nikenda abathina mbeno tetheria kuthiurukia into bibi na kubinenkanira kiri antu baba twirene na paki eno irenjira yemo yo kinyira antu baraba inyirikite.
Tulikuwa tumeleta chakula kidogo sana na tuko na manguo ambayo itafaidi wanakijiji wetu wenye wako hapa karibu na park, na pia tuimize communities washirikiane na the Meru National Park. Sisi ni marafiki, hata wakati maybe mtu ameona wanyama wako kwao, sisi wanaweza pigia watu wenye wako kwa park na najua mahitaji yao itashughulikiwa.
Thirikari ya county ile tongoretio imutumanto ithinkia ile amwe thirikari gukura turi amwe twinthe niki tumio gutona narua tugwatanirite na Red Cross na KWS tujete for act of humanity within the communities chi around Meru National Park. Turenda kuga collaboration yetu na the community stakeholders na KWS na all stakeholders within the national government and global-wise. We are here to serve the community of Meru. Jaura bonete governor wetu niageretie gwita round national-wide na globally agichwaga utethio bura tumbutethia antu betu ba Meru. Mantu jira tuthithia thai ija utetheria communities and more so antu bara bari on vulnerable conditions as well as bara bangi.
Ethio bobo twarombero mwaka muthiru in National Park non tuibetha robena antukwira bomba meet the community neka batethie nde tutomba kumba kwija gwitika kana tubaretera utethio na antukwena ro tukona twena utethio bwa nguo, twena utethio bwa irio bya kuria the serious, twena utethio bwa non food items tabio mitungi gwikira roje na ndawa cia gutreat roje tona ibwega twije tubariungere na tubatigire into bikenda bomba gutethia community.
Kuringana na baba choka yankatho no nto bangwatanire no retete into bibi baliuga manto mwanya mwanya makathi na mbe na kumania na ngwatanire no
ngwetikia into bitwareta ndene Meru National Park gakinyera community na bombe gutetheka.
Nimefurahishwa sana na the county government, the county governor because of kutuletea hii msaada. By kupata hizi manguo tumepata dry foods kama mahindi, tutaweza kusaidia the neighboring communities because pia wao wako na shida huku ni pali hardship. Wacha nipaita pali hardship, na kupata hii msaada from the Kenya Red Cross itasaidia the communities wenye wanatuneiba.
In conservation, we have the pillars of conservation, one of them being the pillar of the community. And by doing so, we are going to assist those communities who are vulnerable, who they are in need of such materials and clothing, so that by doing so, we are going to win them and will assist us during the conservation of wildlife.
And this is not the last thing that we are offering to the communities within here. I know tumekuwa na discussions with the Meru National Park on some of the initiatives that we'll be doing here in the coming future. So expect some initiatives between the Meru County Government, the Meru National Park and Kenya Red Cross.
Together tukigwatanira na KWS na department yetu ya sport and youth na environment and climate change tukianda mite na sport tugetetha area the community with the sport.
Kuma kingiro kenyamo cha kithaka kya Meru Egembe Central, Peter Nicholas, Chabari.